During the first race of the Pocono Raceway doubleheader in 2021, Kyle Larson was leading on the last lap when he got a flat tire. Kyle Larson would finish ninth place. In the second race, Kyle Larson finished second place. Matt Tifft and NASCAR driver B.J. McLeod own a NASCAR Cup Series team called Live Fast Motorsports.
Ooh.
Daniel Suarez is currently 18th place in the points standings for the 2021 NASCAR Cup Series season. Dale Jarrett currently works with NBC with its NASCAR coverage. Daniel Suarez drives for the Trackhouse Racing Team. The team is owned by Justin Marks and rapper Pitbull. Bill Elliott last raced in the NASCAR Cup Series at Daytona International Speedway on July 7, 2012. Ryan Reed used to drive the number 16 Lily Diabetes Ford Mustang in the NASCAR Xfinity Series. This card is part of the base variation set for the 2019 NASCAR donruss train card set.